In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under laws of chemical combination. So we have 7 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says an element X forms the following oxides. The phenomenon illustrates the law of we have multiple proportions, conservation of mass, definite proportion, mass action. So this expression we have here illustrate the law of multiple proportions. Very important. Next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following scientists formulated the law of conservation of mass? So it's not Boy, you know that one. So is this option C? This sounds like a French name. A. Lavoisier. Sounds like a French name. So, but that's the answer to this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says a metal M forms 2 types of chlorine. So these are the 2 types of chlorine. Which of the following laws best explains the relationship between the chlorides? So law of conservation of mass, definite proportions, multiple proportions, reciprocal proportion. So the right option is option C, still multiple proportion. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says the law of definite proportion states that chemical compounds are pure because they contain the same elements. Pure samples of substances are in the same proportion by mass. Matter can neither be created or destroyed. Pure samples of substances are not in the same proportion by mass. The right option to this question is the law of definite proportion states that pure samples of substances are in the same proportion by mass. Alright, so that's it for this question. Okay, option B is the right answer to this question. Next to the question will be this one. It says all pure samples of the same chemical compound contain the same elements in the same proportion by mass is a statement of the law of multiple proportional, the law of constant composition, Gay-Lussac's law, the law of conservation of matter. So the right answer to this question is option B, the law of constant composition. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this question, the law of constant composition. The next repeated question will be this one. It says the geometry is based on the law of, so it's based on the law of conservation of mass. Very, very important, guys. Take me to this particular question. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says a balanced chemical equation is based on the law of conservation of mass as well, option B. So this is basically can do problems involving laws of chemical combination. Practice with 7 repeated questions for this video. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's quit the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to be a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. We are getting premium information to help you to excel your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams to be writing. So having done this, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.